I'm gonna make another little short video of this weather. It is raining to beat the band. It is seriously raining. I don't know if y'all can see it on the streets. I'm trying to get a view of it out on the street there. And hopefully when I actually upload this to YouTube, you'll be able to see some of it. I hope. But anyway, I better cut this one kind of short. My battery's running out. God bless you all. Have a good evening. I just thought I'd give you a little shot of what it's doing out here. Hopefully y'all can hear the rain and the wind. This is extreme weather for here. Okay, y'all, I'm going to cut it off now. God bless y'all. Have a good evening. Talk to you later. Have a good evening now. Bye-bye.